just kayaked over to Holly Bluff with Mary and Bill Burnham of Burnham Guides. We're on a private island for the day. We have it all to ourselves. And there's actually a 1920s fishing lodge that you can rent out and stay overnight. So let's go check it out. How beautiful is the view from this house? That's not the only reason to come on a trip with Mary and Bill. Your experience also includes daily kayaking trips to barrier islands, daily yoga, and they'll teach you how to oyster, crab, and clam. Pretty quintessential experience when visiting Virginia's Eastern Shore.